Today, my daughter Ellie and I are going to be showing you this really cool moon lamp that she is going to paint. Let's get started. Here are all of the things that come in this moon painting kit. We have our instruction manual, the stand that has to be put together, and there's some cute astronaut space items and a little spaceship there. There's our paints, a little mixing dish for the paints if needed, a couple paintbrushes, of course the remote control and the moon. This moon can be charged and used separately. So here it is on, and then we can change colors. And Ellie's gonna be painting, so let's get going. So Ellie has done a little bit of painting. So far, this is what we have.
This is my moon. It's space. Mars is right here, and below it there is Earth, there's the sun, and there is the moon. You can barely see, but there it is. And then I put this purple thing around it, and the white stuff on there are stars. I can turn it on. My favorite is probably the blue one and the purple one. And I can even turn it white.
So pretty. I love it. Thanks for listening.
And watching our video.
Bye. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.